everyone! Today we're going to talk about big and small and comparing sizes. So I'll show you the first one and then we can do it together. This is a big squirrel. This is a small squirrel. The big squirrel will eat the big nut. The small squirrel will eat the small nut. Let's try another one. Small dog, big dog. What size bone is this? Small. Small dog eats the small bone. What size bone is this? Big. Big dog eats the big bone. Big ant, small ant. What size watermelon is this? Big. Big watermelon for the big ant. Small watermelon for the small ant. Small mouse, big mouse. Big cheese for the big mouse. Small cheese for the small mouse. Good job, guys. See you soon. Bye.